Hi friends, good morning. Today I'm going to be vlogging because China and I are going to the beach. We're finally getting out of the house. It's been like 3 months on lockdown and I need to go to the beach. I've been dying to go, so I'm very excited. We're going to also go to H Mart before we go and get some food, which is like a Korean market. So we're gonna get some food and then we're gonna go to the beach and it's gonna be so much fun. I'm very excited. Like I'm hype. I'm really fucking hype. So I think I have everything packed. I'm kind of like scared to leave the house because I feel like once I leave I'll remember it was something that I forgot, but I'm pretty sure I have everything I need. So we're gonna hit the road and go pick up China. For real, y'all, I am so hyped for today. I am so excited. So let's ride.
Tell us what happened, ma'am.
Ladies, so I tried to turn around because I thought we were going the wrong way. But I like went off the road a little bit, and apparently that dip was a little bit deeper than I thought it was, and I got stuck on some concrete of the road, and there were cars coming on both sides, so I looked like a fucking asshole, and I was stuck and I didn't know what to do, and I thought I was gonna have to call a fucking tow truck and our day would be over. But a nice man came and helped push me, and turns out we weren't even going the wrong way.
So we did that for what?
So we did all of that for nothing. But I think my car is all right. She sounds fine. And I checked, she looks okay. But I don't know cars, and I think it's okay. I'll let you know if something leaks later, but I think we're fine. And that's how my day's going. How's yours? We haven't even eaten our food yet. We've just had ice cream.
Oh. Can you explain? Okay, so we obviously thought ahead. How are we gonna open this? It's not a twisty, and none of us have.
You know what's funny?
What?
I think the premiums are twisties. We'll figure it out.
This day is just full of obstacles. China's trying to open it with my key now, but it's been hard thus far. And we're both too ashamed to go ask anybody if they have one or could open it for us. Okay. Also, the sand really hurts. Just a peaceful day at the beach, going very well.
We're getting it, guys. She made it big.
Fuck, I'm so close. I'm like,
she's really close.
I'm opening it. It's working. Bitch! Ooh, kind of working, but it's also giving me more problems.
I mean, we're gonna get wet anyway.
They were It's good though. Look at that. Wait, let me turn my key. Wait, hold that. Hold on. Now it popped off. Wow. Thank you, Miss Rona. Ruining 2020. I have beer all over me now. That's really great. Come on, bitch. Are you kidding me? This is the same bottle. I have sand all over my hands. So we are going to be eating our chicken and our beer and our rice and just chilling for a bit. I would show you the food, but the sand is blowing everywhere, so I don't want sand all over my food. So I'll check in with you guys later. So we just got back to the car. We're gonna, I'm sorry if there's sand on the lens, I can't help it. We're gonna wash off a little bit and then we're gonna get back in the car. Yeah, we made it back.
I'm sunburned.
Same. I definitely think my knees are sunburnt. I'm definitely a little tanner. I look really red, but sometimes when I get red, I don't. But sometimes when I get red, I don't always burn. So I guess we'll find out. But yeah. Well, as random as it is, I do definitely think I sunburn my knees because they burn like a bitch. So wait, did I have sand on my butt?
Not that I've seen. Just kidding. Yeah.
Shit. Wait, can you hold this?
Fuck. It imprinted.
That's my butt, everybody. Luckily, I don't like care too much about sand in my car, but this is a little annoying because it's on my seat. If it's on my floor, I don't give a shit. But it's on my seat, so it's pretty cool. I care about sand in my car. I mean, it's a little annoying when it's gonna be on my seat.
At least, oh.
But whatever. Like, to me, it's not a big deal.
I think I'd be annoyed if I didn't have seat covers.
Oh.
That for sure would like.
Good thing I remembered, because I felt something on my butt and I was like, uh-oh.
Oh my knee. Yeah, shake it, shake it. Hey, hey, hey.
I don't know how to shake it.
God damn it. I was trying to be nice. I'm sorry. You know what? I got it. I got it.
She tried to feed me. She was like, ah, and then she goes, ah!
It's a perfect transition, don't you think?
That was cute. Oh, well, I gotta wash my blanket anyway. You're totally fine. Don't even worry about it. I just got a bunch of sand in my car. I don't know why you're apologizing. I just got my ass seat all. My ass seat?
My ass seat. Ass seat.
I was thinking about like the place where my butt goes, you know? My ass seat. Which is just a seat. Someone help me. I'm not okay. It smells good.
Okay, take two.
Wait, so it just said frozen rice cake? That's all we have? Ooh.
It's pretty sticky. Yes, it says frozen rice cake. What does it have?
It's almost like teriyaki.
It smells like it.
Our rice cake is good though.
It's just soy sauce. There's soy sauce.
Oh,
Interesting.
tastes like teriyaki.
Oh wait, that's what it was. Soy sauce.
I'm broken. Verdict?
They're pretty good. I know like some people might not like the taste though, because they'll expect something like sweet.
That's what I did.
But she's not that bad.
I don't mind the taste, and I also am I'm having a stroke. I'm also in love with that texture. I'm like, here, wait, let me grab it. Wow. Oh, sorry. Me terrible.
Ooh. That's why I almost let go of her. I was like, fuck.
Damn, mommy.
She's sticky. I was trying to say sticky, but then thicky came out. Would it worked out? She's good.
You said she's sticky, and I was gonna say, yeah, she's sticky and she's sticky. Come no. It almost tastes like something I'd put on a salmon. Oh god. Ah! So it's almost kind of weird that it's on rice cake because I would want it. I would imagine it should be sweet. Like, I'm a little confused, but I'll eat it. It's coming, it's coming. So you know how I said we got stuck earlier? I'll show you where we got stuck.
No.
It was here.
Unless they put it all back
It
up.
was
Oh,
here.
they did. Yeah, it was here.
That dip looks a lot less like
It's deeper than
it's deeper than it looks, and
Yeah.
it was right here where we got stuck. And this nice man came and helped push me out, and everybody else just drove past.
assholes.
Thanks for that. Really appreciate it.
Isn't that right? He ain't your boyfriend?
He ain't my boyfriend! I don't know what he... I ain't your girlfriend! I ain't your girlfriend, you ain't my boyfriend. Get it straight. Fuck! I forgot it's a one-way! The townie said oops.
Sorry.
The running it.
Okay, what choice did you want to eat the topping?
Can I do the Fruit Loops? Yeah. How is it?
Fire.
Fire!